Now let's look at example 4. Sodium has work function of 2.30 electron volt. Calculate its threshold frequency, which is F0. Second, calculate the maximum speed. Okay, maximum speed is Vmax. Okay, when the sodium is illuminated by light of wavelength 500 nanometer. And then last sekali, calculate the stopping potential, which is Vs. So first we have work function equal to 2.3 electron volt. And we know that work function is equal to H F0. So dekat sini, because we want to find F0, the threshold frequency, okay, this work function, since kita kena bagi dekat dalam electron volt, we need to convert to joule, which is darab dengan 1.6 exponent negative 19 joule second, joule, which is equal to 3.68 exponent negative 19 joule. So masukkan dalam formula. And then Planck constant is 6.63 exponent negative 34 times with F0. So F0 will be equal to 5.56 exponent 14 Hertz. So that's the first one. The second one is we want to find Vmax. Okay, so how to find Vmax? Okay, using the Einstein equation, Kmax is equal to E minus work function. This one. And there's a condition we are given here, di mana wavelength adalah sama dengan 500 nanometer. So maksudnya kena masukkan equation yang ada wavelength. So equation yang ada wavelength dekat sini adalah this one, di mana E adalah Hc over wavelength. So just masukkan that one. So here will be half Vmax, half mVmax square equal to Hc over lambda minus work function. So just masukkan 1 over 2 times with mass. Mass adalah mass of electron, which is given in the list of constant, times with Vmax square equal to H adalah sama dengan 6.63 exponent negative 34 times with the speed of light divided by the wavelength 500 nanometer minus the work function. So work function must be in joule, this one, which is 3.6 at exponent negative 19. So Vmax is equal to 2.55 exponent 5 meter per second. So yang this one salah, jawapan yang dibagi ni salah. This is the correct one. Okay, last one we want to find is the stopping potential with light of this wavelength. Maksudnya kita gunakan wavelength yang dia bagi. So last question, question C, we want to find Vs. Di mana kita tahu Vs, Kmax is equal to E Vs, right? This one ada dibagi dalam list of formula. So just gunakan this formula saja. So masukkan Kmax adalah half mv square, which is half m adalah 911 exponent negative 31. V adalah 2.55 exponent 5 and then square equal to electron. E dekat sini adalah number of electron. Number of electron, which is 1.6 exponent negative 19. 1.6 exponent negative 19 times with Vs. So Vs is equal to 0.185 volt.